Take your family outings to the next level in this incredible Toyota Highlander. With its sleek exterior style and sophisticated interior design, the Toyota Highlander is sure to help create memorable family adventures for years to come. Whether you're looking to get away or just get around town, you'll find the Highlander's bold design will not go unnoticed. The front grille expresses unparalleled confidence on the road, while its LED taillights and large aluminum wheels add a touch of sophistication, allowing you to live your life to the fullest with every trip, no matter where you're headed. This Highlander Hybrid LE is a great choice as it comes very well equipped with all-wheel drive, dynamic radar cruise control, a large 8-inch touchscreen that's paired with Entune Audio Plus, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, SiriusXM, and USB charging ports. It also comes with LED headlights with automatic high beam assist and split folding rear seats to make loading and unloading a breeze. Additional comfort and safety features include heated front seats, tri-zone climate control, Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 that is complete with lane departure warning with lane steering assist, stylish aluminum wheels, proximity keyless entry with push button start, forward collision warning, blind spot detection, a power rear liftgate, hill start assist, plus much more. When you think hybrid, think High River Toyota.